Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, good evening, good day, everyone. Good afternoon for a happy Wednesday times. Great to have you onboarded. Great to see you, everyone. Oh, yeah. We're ready, guys. We're ready for another possible bullish day at this time. Looking forward to it. I'm inclined towards bullishness today after seeing the downtrend breakout with a retest and a confirmation of that, guys. So I'm kind of targeting the upside today. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation in all the trading communities, pretty much everywhere. You can do the same, guys. Make sure to invite people, invite your friends. We're live, and not just for the giveaways. This is an educational live stream, first of all. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways today. Keep that in mind. Minimum 180 likes. Thank you so much, by the way. So the breakout. On the hourly is clear. The breakout on the hourly is extremely clear. Wouldn't be bad to target levels around 450s, 500s, right, Matty? What do you think about? You talked about 29 500s, 400s, 450s, 500s on a table. Looking exciting. So yeah, for the hourly, we're here. 5 minute. An easy push all the way to 188. Yesterday's high. Well, 350 points. Or 400 points from here. It's a good business, I can tell you. It's not even needed that much. Prop firms are the only businesses where you have to control your profits if you're trading consistency. If you're not trading consistency, and you go Lucid Flex, guys, which is flexing the muscle on a 50% discount, if that's still available. I know a lot of you have used your 2 slots for the 50% off. But even though we're trading... good morning, good day. Yeah, with the earnings, of course, 350, 400 points. I mean, depends on the earnings, right? But they're pretty much known by the guys behind the markets. They're pretty much known. The elite circles are aware of the announcement details. Just like the political side trading, senators from a 300k salary building a fortune of 200 million. You guys have seen that. Doing insider trading. What kind of trading is that, guys? As a senator, knowing all the ins and outs. We'll be trading the YRM sector as well. We'll be trading Lucid Tap1 Savius. And then giveaways. $28,900 till $29,125. That's great, Dr. Kulu. Oh yeah. That's a big one. That's a big one. Nicely profitable on that for sure. Nicely profitable on that. The volatility is not big today. Testing the waters around. I'm a momentum trader. So I'm trading the momentum on scalping, going with the momentum, recognizing points that are dominant, and I'm taking my shots with that. That's what I'm trading, a momentum trader between meaningful points of the price action. Oh yeah. So we've just overcut right here on today's high, but yesterday's high are quite near, 25 points away, guys. 188 for the yesterday's high. We've been going for this swing. We already have 100 points here. I'm testing out a little long, 4 minis on this red candle. We might be able to make it green. Although I shouldn't be greedy when we are buying the tops. I should not be greedy. When you're dealing with the tops, your edge is very low, guys. Yeah. So you have to take whatever is given and go break even quickly. Adding a little more to this, sitting on 6 minis long. If this is going ugly, I'm going to cut it soon. Certainly not an issue. It is a possible temporary top here. And I might be late on my long. But having our yesterday high so close to today's high, that gap of 20 points is not going to remain untouched. Not a big business, right? So that's why I am waiting right now. Waiting and looking forward to opening my Quant Tower as well with a Lucid, with the big boy accounts on Lucid. Exactly. That's the point. When you have a gap of 20 points between today's high and yesterday high, and you're riding momentum, it's very unlikely not to have a good time in a long near to that. Right, so that liquidity on yesterday high is attracting right now, acting like a magnet. We got our trade sitting in this corner, opening Quant Tower with Lucid, guys, with the big boy accounts like I said. We're trading the Lucid flexes. No consistency on the funded stage. And no target on the funded stage. If you're wondering what happened yesterday with our trading, well, look at that. This is not looking too exciting here. I'm gonna long it from this account too. On 3 minis from this account. That's a pretty powerful bleeding. Pretty powerful bleeding. Do not forget we have weekly opening 135. So, but this is an engulfing appearing here, guys. An engulfing for the moment on the 5 minute. There's still 1 minute to go for this candle. The last time we had a proper engulfing appearing in a possible top was here. And then the outcome was a retest of the trending line a lot lower Oh my gosh. What a deep retracement. And this trade is running in trouble. What a silly price action, fellas. So close to yesterday's high. Missing to touch that. We'll see how we can adjust this. The next 5-minute candle might have to sell something, guys. The current one is about to close. But I can show you what happened yesterday on my Lucid accounts. You definitely want to see that. Let's get a nice candle all the way into 50, 55. So I can get out decently, accepting a partial loss. Let's see. Can I have that? This is looking bad. This is looking bad. A poor reaction on the weekly opening. Disappointing. Disappointing 135. Yeah. Disappointing 135. Gotta go with my stop loss there. Very tight on this. Not looking good. That's a pretty bad start here. Yeah, it's gonna get touched, of course. What a terrible sell-off, guys. Zero purchasing power. Zero. Look at that, all the way nicely. And now it's going through. And things change as soon as I got into my trade here. Right, so no more continuation, basically. No more continuation. The pattern ended as soon as I got into my trade, just for you to know. That's how it works sometimes. The pattern ends the very moment you touch the trade. We want to be tested at the opening. It's just 100 points away from us. So at some point yesterday, you guys want to see that we were down. Unrealized loss. Right, so the trade was active. Let me show you that one on our Discord community. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys. You want to be part of this. Look at that. This is the place where our traders gather. So look at that one, guys. $35,000 in one account, 29 on the other. What happened next? This is what happened next. On the 19th, yesterday, $51,000 profit, guys. 51 grand profit for the 19th yesterday. Good morning, guys. I don't have to make it back. We've made it back. The king of props executed and delivered. So there has to be some proper trading going on in March, in May actually. This is for May. 0 losses for May, look at that. 50,000 day, the first day of $50,000. On Lucid Flex accounts, guys, 150,000. The first day of 50 grand. Exciting watching these numbers. I got in along here, guys, for our funded account, the 5th one, right, that we have. I'm selling 2 contracts here. I'll take it slowly with this one. As soon as I reach my target that I want, I'll have 5 accounts ready for the payout. We've got right now 4 accounts ready for max payout on Lucid. I'm waiting to have 5 ready. Comes with 400k buffer. Oh yeah. I'm just trading that account next to the others. Not building based on a specific purpose, guys. Right, so we're trading the other accounts and these ones that are having big money inside, simply just trading them because they're part of the trading schedule. Every single day, just like the other accounts. We've been trading all our accounts, and there is no reason not to trade these big accounts just because we have them at a big scale, at a profitable scale. There's no reason not to trade them and perform. They're just part of the trading cycle we do with all the accounts that we have most of the time. So that's the thing. Good day, guys. Good day. Warning out there. Selling a contract there. I'm fully out, guys. 621 bucks. I'm going to celebrate that. I like that money. Bouncing on an important level. I think I'm going to get out of this one too here. Yeah, we made like 270 bucks here on YRM. And I think I'm going to get out of this one too here. 330. Oh, yeah. But this one, 3,920. We got to recover that one. Boom. I like this one, guys. 621. I'm not going to trade this one. It's day number 3. We have 1,294. This is my 5th funded on Lucid Flex. 4 of them are ready for payout of 3,000. And I'm waiting for the 5th to be ready. So then I can take 5 payouts of 3,000 each in a single round. We've been waiting for this moment for a while. Because the big accounts are ready for the payouts for 2 months already. That's why you want to use Lucid. You want to use Lucid until you have maxed out your 5 accounts. Forget about Tradeify. Forget about it. This is where we are, guys. This is where we are, good folks. Oh yeah. Watching out. And watching for the best. Yeah. This is a pretty interesting structure, which tells you guys a lesson. Let's speak about some education right now. You see, with every time you wanted to trade the breakout, the tops, with a hope in continuation, you get burned. The very moment breaks above, it reverses. The very moment it breaks above, it reverses 40, 50 points, or even more than that. In this one, 100 points. So trading the breakout is not going to function and is not functioning. Oh, yesterday we were down $34,000 on that Lucid. This is what had happened. 51,000 bucks. The first day of 50 grand, guys, in history. The first day. But the interesting part about trading and the way we're performing here, and since we have this big accounts, the interesting part is people miss the point. And they believe things that are wrong. So this is an exercise of trading, guys. And it's not easy when you have resources in the account. I can tell you, the emotional side, the discipline side, and many other correlated with this is actually very hard. The more money you have, the less disciplined you tend to be. So whoever considers this activity of running this accounts to this level a bullshit is having no idea about trading, right? This is an exercise that's massively contributing to my future, and for the ones that are having the ability to extract the positive sides will benefit from this, guys. Others will question $3,000 payout and will say, well, why are you trading this thing when the payout is 3 grand? You know, that's an empty discussion for me. No reason, guys. Have you seen my investments since 2014? I've been posting about it on my Discord. I don't know if you have seen that, guys. I'm running BTC, Bitcoin, since it was $400. So let's not talk about $3,000 payouts. The thing is, at a different level, is there any beneficial education behind this whole trading? Or this is just a marketing thing? Good morning, good day everyone. Well, if you're smart, which I strongly believe you are, because that's why you're here, otherwise you would unfollow, you would unsubscribe, and you would act based on how frustrated and envy people would follow up, then there's a lot to learn. The bigger the accounts are, and when I day traded into crypto, I do know the more money you have, the harder it is to trade. When I did leverage trading back in the day, which was prior COVID, which was 2019, 2018, so, 7-8 years ago, in my beginnings, when I did day trading at that time on leverage, the more money I had, the harder it was. The highest loss in a real resources, I was trading on Binance. So for those of you that are familiar with the crypto space, they do know Binance Exchange. Binance was quite fresh at that time. They had a year or two. So we had the leverage markets and they were fresh. And you were going 10x, 20x leverage on your margin. And I got burned 300 grand quickly in 24 hours. Just like that. On a decent size account, right? The more money you got, the harder it is to trade from some standpoints, and it's easier from others. You just don't have advantages in any of these instances, right? You also have quite many disadvantages and challenges, guys. So, yeah. That's the thing, guys. That's an important thing. To consider. Testing out a little short here. Yeah. It was pretty obvious with all those rejections for the upside. I got hit big time. So I think there is a lot of value. A lot of value. Certainly not for the resources. Certainly not for the resources, and that's something I've been mentioning day number 1. I like trading. This is one of the things that is bringing me enthusiasm. I like trading. I like communities. I like people, running live streams with people. And then I consider the best place to do that is prop firms, where we run audiences. We can help people. We can offer and give back to communities that are needing positive contribution, help, and many other functional and practical elements. I think this is a great satisfaction that I find every single day with all the live streams and all the trading we run, guys. I got a great satisfaction coming from this. I can only take out based on the caps. 15 grand or more depends. But I can take out, no, actually 18 grand. What you give is what you get. I do trade with my own money. Swing trading and investments. So 2 different categories of trading with my own: swing trading and investments. I do not do day trading with personal resources other than prop firm. And I'm not wishing at the moment changing that. I don't want to put pressure on my life. There is no reason to do that. So I think right now with this whole live stream project, with this community we're building, and I think we're going to be quite strong in 20 years from now. Very strong, I would say. By that point, we're going to filter a lot of the rubbish people, which is a good feeling, by the way, filtering rubbish people out. I think in 20 years from now, we're going to be out here trading, following our passions, having at least a decent life, having freedom, and having the desire to learn, progress, and help the others that are somewhere in the process, maybe higher than us, maybe below, if we use those words to describe, might not be the best words to describe. Possibly somewhere in the process of learning. I think this is the objective of this whole YouTube thing. So I think we have a good point with that. For someone that's at the beginning, you need 2 years, minimum 2 years of success in the prop space. So even if you have 50 grand saved and accumulated from props, I wouldn't suggest you to go out and trade your own resources on that 50,000. I would not suggest you, because it's very likely for you to lose it. So as an investor, I don't want to position myself in situations that are very likely against myself, against me, right? I only need situations when I can follow a advantageous position. And that would be a strategical mistake. You make 50 grand from props and you take that into personal resources. It's a whole different business there. It's a whole different business there, guys. It's different. And the amount of differences we have between the prop firm trading and personal resources trading for day trading is changing the business strategy, the psychology side, the emotional impact is generating a different output than the output and the actions you do in the prop space. You don't believe that, you can experience it, but there's going to be a price, which you're not going to have a good time paying it. It is a different skin in the game when you deal with personal resources. It's a different skin in the game. And you have to learn that from the scratch as well. You have to adjust. You have to start very low, dedicate time, years, and then at some point expect basically making 300, 500, 1,000 bucks a day. But certainly not at the beginnings. And this is only for traders that are already successful in the prop space. Very likely you're not going to be successful when you're trading personal resources in your first period of trading, very likely. That's not a mistake, that's not a problem. The problem is if you give up. Right, so you shouldn't expect basically to be profitable with personal resources if you're profitable on the prop space. You should not expect that. If you're expecting, it's a mistake, guys. You should expect something else. 2, measure your mental capabilities, improve, and focus on the process. That's what you'd expect, to work on the process. Then slowly progress. Those should be the expectancies. With the acceptancy of paying the price of the education. You don't pay the price of the education, do not expect to be educated from theoretical examples, from theoretical preaches. It's not working like that, guys. Trading is different. It has a very, very practical representation. Very, very practical. 468, 472. Ha ha ha. Even with props, you can't YOLO. If you YOLO in props, in 6 months you're not going to have any financial benefits. Right? So YOLO is not going to function anywhere for long term. It functions short term. 472, guys. Yes, the prop lesson is very good, right? So, in a nutshell, to get started with props instead of personal resources is the right choice for the majority. So 500 today, we got to do $29,000, and people will get angry if I do $29,000 here today. They're not able to sleep. Some of them will get angry if we do right now 29,000 and we cross $500,000 today. So instead of focusing on the trades, focusing on the way we got here and how this could be replicated, learned, and applied, the positive sides, because we did mistakes during this. Also, when I do mistakes, guys, it's very good for you. You should welcome all my mistakes. And you know why? Because you can learn from these mistakes. You're not paying financially for these mistakes, yet you can learn in real time. I think that's very valuable. Having someone doing the mistakes for you is very valuable. $500,000 for 4,500. The mass of people who use props to gamble cheap, right? A lot of the people in the prop space trade the prop firms to have the same outcome in terms of psychologically, like the casinos. With the dopamine and others, right? So they need those feelings. They are trading for those feelings. I don't mind if someone disagrees. I find value in constructive criticism. I like that. And I think it is needed. I needed criticism many times from my wife. Many times I needed. But usually I'm a person that's doing my own whatever. That's how I've been raised. So, a lot of mistakes of finance, not other mistakes. I got a moral background. But in terms of finance, a lot of mistakes that I could have been easily avoided. So, hedging your personal, ethical, So, it's not an issue if you do that. Personal against the prop firms is not an issue. If you can do it, if you have the strategies that are working to generate your profit that way, you can do it. You can do it, guys. Exactly. So it's not a problem. Nishukla, it's not a problem. You can do it. It's not an ethical problem. It's not a moral problem. And it's not a problem of the prop firm. No. No prop firm has a problem with that. It's always right. But my one is not pushing for that desire. She's not having the desire of always being right. If I don't give up, she's always giving up. So I can run into mistakes easily. Which is something I did. But I think they're needed. I was needing them. I was needing those financial mistakes I did. I was needing them. Some people need financial mistakes that are heavy to grow. Others might not need, but the type of person I am, I needed those. Yeah. I'm not going to withdraw all those profits. There's no way for me to do that. I'm testing out along here, guys, in YRM. Oh, no, I'm not shorting. I'm longing the structure. Yeah, learning from mistakes, which is a very hard thing to do, by the way. Very hard. Very hard to do. Learning in terms of deep education, guys. Not just a short-term learning reflex. No. But a long-term learning procedure that's saving you from doing that mistakes years from now. That's a total different thing, guys. It's not just an information that sits on the surface of your brain. It's something deeper than that. Right? Have you guys questioned why do we follow the same mistakes over and over again after having the learning experience and the conclusion of the action of being wrong? So that's why we call it a mistake. We know such a thing is a mistake, but we keep repeating it, and at the time we're ready to do it again, we never think about the way we used to say, well, next time I'm not going to do it because of this, because of that. Right? At the very next time when we have the opportunity, we do the same mistake again. And I'm speaking about a trading part right now. Good job, Maddie. Exactly. So think about the times, guys, you were saying, I'm going to remember this mistake. I'll remember this thing, and I will never do it again. Think about the times you've said these things. But then the very next time the opportunity was there, you did it again. YRM is slow on payouts, very slow. It's going to take 2 to 3 weeks, and there will be an announcement from their CEO. I talked to him yesterday, to Moe. I talked to Moe, CEO of YRM, today. There's people that are delayed for 2 weeks. I told him, I'll reach out to my community, and I'll tell them to be cautious, to wait until there is great satisfaction on your services in the way that you deliver the payouts. If you resume delivering the payouts like you have to, I'm going to inform the community you did that. Otherwise, for the moment, I inform the community exactly in the way it is. Some people are 2 to 3 weeks delayed on their review. He told me all the payouts are going to be honored. That's what he told me. All the payouts are going to be honored. Yeah, some things must be fixed. So, most of you, and it's normal, you don't like that. You have to stay away for the moment till everything is fixed, cleared, and completely functional. Stay away. Not an issue, guys. Not an issue. If you stay away from a firm that is no longer creating the excitement of the services they're delivering, it's absolutely normal. That's what I'm suggesting you guys to do. Yeah. They have to stay away. And they have to see you guys stay away. Remember that. Exactly. That's why they do that. Yeah. What do you guys think about the way it looks? Look at that here. Do we get another touch on the level sitting around the 60s or maybe even down to VWAP 2900s? Nah. 29,000. Yep. They talk so much. Ha 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 ha. What do we have here, guys? What's happening here in our community? Alright, guys, so can we save this? Yeah. I don't like this silly price action, guys. This could actually... Now, I'm gonna DC this candle a little. I like that reaction there. I like it. Now, trust me. I like that personally. You don't have to trade this, but I like it. I'm gonna go stop loss right below. I've liked that reaction there. Could be beneficial. Good day. I only need a few points. And I would even accept the partial loss here. If I get the chance to accept the partial loss. Come on. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. We must collect 180 likes to do the giveaways. Volumetrica is where I'm trading. Volumetrica. Volumetrica. So... I have been trading those two accounts on Lucid next to the other accounts we've been trading, right? And simply they were part... Oh my gosh, what a silly candle. Wow, what a silly candle, guys. The whole thing got denied there and we got stopped out. So the big boy accounts have been traded in my daily trading routine, in my daily trading schedule, next to all the other accounts we had. Evaluations, funded, whatever we had. These guys were just part of next to the other ones. And the time came every day to trade this account. We've been trading them normally. Without any priority, without any specific attention applied to this. Without any other purpose than continuously trading the accounts next to the other that I got available. So they were simply part of the trading daily accounts that I run. Daily trading accounts. And eventually, we've been increasing them big time. That's the story of the accounts. With some decent performing trading. And a lot of the learning for the community. For me, there is no additional surplus in revenue. That's right. But they're simply part of my trading journey that I run every day. I can't take out a 300k of these accounts. And I don't mind that. I know I can't take out 300k of these accounts. I don't mind that. This is a very important challenge, guys. Think about it. A very important challenge. I can see the way I deal with 30, 40, 50,000. I can train my risk management, my discipline with this account. I can train so well. So well. This is a level that is beneficial for my long-term trading business. So it helps me to become a better trader. From a different analytical standpoint. And I think there is a lot to learn for you guys. A lot to learn from you. And most of the time, this is the #1 criteria for my actions. You guys have seen my last video I posted. Not the YouTube Shorts, the other. Didn't post it today. I posted a couple of days ago. It's a 27 minutes video. A lot to learn from there. These big accounts are funded, yes. Oh. Market is reacting here. It is an interesting level. I'm calling for a long. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's see on this big boy account. 10 minutes. Yes. It was very difficult at the beginning, guys. Having the transparency and the confidence to trade live, there's so much pressure, guys. Additional pressure. So if you find stress, anxiety, fear, frustration, not trading on the live stream in front of people, think about how that's going to look like trading in front of decent amount of people. Everything is 10x. Everything. So I am having a good time by being challenged by these things. I'm having a good time. I think I can learn from this. I think I can become much better by doing this. And I think you guys have a lot of things to learn as well from our daily approach. Trading and life lessons we're putting together. Yep. You know, the extra 500 bucks we're making right now on this account. Is not going to be cashed out. A lot of you only see the dollar value. But there is a lot more behind that. And most of the time in life, there's more things than the material part, guys. This is important, this is enjoyable, this is needed. But that there's others that are also important. And the way we set the priorities are also something particular and interesting to discover on each person, right? I don't think I have for trading emotions out there. Look at that, guys. It's because you have 9, you need to have 10. You need to give up on that 9 and go by 10. We gotta go stop loss break even here. Why? Because this is a possible supply here on the 1 minute that can easily reverse through my entry. I'll sell 5 contracts. And I'm leaving the rest of it on break even. Actually moving my trailing at the bottom of the current wick. You see, you guys, you learn things about trading. It doesn't matter this is happening on this account or on an account that's fresh. It does not matter at all. We got trailed out on break even from the 5-minute algo. But look at that, we've made $1,000 guys, and we're gonna celebrate that 1,000 even if it's here on 474 account. Oh yeah. Thank you so much guys for joining, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Market opens in 5 minutes and we're running big time discussions. So if this trade would have been done on an account that's fresh, evil, it's the same thing. You gotta learn the same thing. It doesn't matter it's on this account that has 474. This is a brand new Lucid account that started from 450, right? There was a promo at some point. I'm sure you guys saw that. He's joking. 12AC is joking, having a good time here. He's having a good time joking around. Which is the point of this community, guys. I think we're going to be quite aggressive. I'm going to re-short this. 10 minutes short. Yeah, 10 minutes short. What do you think about touching 29,007 daily VWAP? Would you disagree with me having 80 points on 10 minis? 2 minutes to go, that's perfect for me. I can take a break right now. I can take a break. Look at that. It's printing. Oh, look at that angry reaction. Oh. Yes. Bring it down. 70 points from here down. Look at that one, guys. What do you guys expect from this? Are you guys expecting me not to make money from this? I gotta arrange the charts and have room for the price action to go down. Because the balance is not starting with number 5. The first digit has to be number 5. Tell me, guys, what's gonna be the date the balance of the account is going to have its first digit on number 5. Less than a minute to go, guys. Come on. I'm leaving more and more space, more and more room for this trade. Making another 20 grand here. Gotta do 100 points. So if I want to make 20 grand, I have to do 100 points. Ten seconds to go. They might just wipe me out. There's 30 points here. I'm gonna ring the bell right now. Bring it down. No way. Oh, you touched me. You've touched me. Look at that wick, guys. What an opening we had. 1,435. Oh my gosh. This should have been going downwards. This should have been going downwards. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. I'm not feeling that safe about shorts. You gotta watch this 15-minute approach, guys. Look at that. This 15-minute approach is not really supporting a theory for shorts if candle closing like that. And then if we break above the weekly opening 135, then we're speaking a whole different language. Look at that, guys. So if I wouldn't use my trailing, this would have been a big slap. This would have been a big slap. Weekly opening rejecting. Good morning. Lovely reaction. A lot to do here. A lot to produce. I think that's just great. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to join our Discord community. We're trading Lucid, trading YRM, trading Top-1 Savius, all the big boys out there on Lucid. You can find out more about the current promotions existent. I'm testing out 10-minute short here, even though it's a dangerous level if it's not holding. A dangerous level. We might not see any pullback. Stop loss break even, guys. We already touched it. So I only made $100. But there's no way I'm shorting without going break even quickly. And you shouldn't do it differently. Good job, Twister. Good job. We have a lovely reaction, fellas. Look at that. Not to underestimate it under any conditions. That's a pretty powerful movement. Oh yeah. I'm taking a 2 minutes break. I'll be right back in 2 minutes, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, you want to see this account? I'll be right back in 2 minutes, fellas. Make sure to like the video in the meantime. Firm's getting terrified. Rainbows on fire. Oh my gosh, did I miss? I missed out shorting, guys. What a short has been missed. Oh, yeah, baby. Where is the short? I don't run shorts. Oh. What happened here? What happened here? But look at that one, guys. What on earth is going on here? And how can we stop this? Can we? We can't stop this. This is unstoppable. But I don't like it. What a weekly opening rejection, 135. I don't know if we can get something around daily VWAP. 29,000. I do fear 28,929. But there might be a little bouncing here on 29,000. You gotta see this one, fellas. Look at that rejection. You got a short, that's great. Triple more than that. Triple. I'm just a baby in terms of this game. And then think about the kids. The kids got a total from both of us. I can't find with them. They're 3 against 1. It's always like that. 3 against 1. I'm gonna roll out a short here. 10-minute short, guys. Watch out. You guys like it? Already 4,000 bucks in profit. And I'm putting stop loss break even. Roll the numbers, roll the dice. Yeah, that's not helping them. $2,000, guys. This should have been a juicy short, right? Thinking about the next 5 minute, which is about to open. Look at that scam. I'm testing out a short here, but it's hard, I can tell you. This is so against the little momentum we have here. The momentum here is bullish, guys, and I've been shorting it. Watch out, Scrambo getting burned. Oh yeah. I'm putting my stop loss there, so you guys have to see a stop loss on this big account too. Yeah. We got hit. We didn't touch the daily VWAP, which is what I've been expecting. Let me show you guys. That was such a silly price action on candle. I was going for this. 29,000. But it looks like the support trending line is delivering. The support trending line is delivering. Look at that. But I've been expecting a little touch on that 29,000. That's why I re-shorted. They didn't give me anything. They did not give me anything. I don't think this is going to come back that easily, but we're going to find it out. We're going to find it out. Yeah, I've relonged this. I've relonged this on both accounts. On both big boy accounts, I've relonged this. If they deliver this price action back to 20s, 30s, that would be a tremendous scam, guys. That would be a tremendous scam if they push this one back to 20s. The next 5 minutes should be green. The next 5 minutes. It should certainly not be red. But that's just my opinion. Ho 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 ho. Keep it running. My 2 cents. Cross that weekly opening 135. And then talk to you around the 200s. I think we can cross that yesterday's high 188 easily. Look at that one, guys. This is such a nice structure. As soon as you clear 135, we're going to go beyond 188, yesterday's high. Congratulations, Nathan. Good job. Trump is speaking. Oh, yeah. Watch out for 100-point candles. That's why we got this thing running around. But he's watching the ticker. He's watching the Nasdaq and he speaks the right words. He speaks the right words. For this thing to be 29,200s, 100 points from here. I am so ready for that. The next 5 minutes, that's the one I needed green. The next 5 minutes. Wow. This is such a scammy price action, fellas. Unbelievable. Unbelievable what a scammy price action, I can tell you. Watching the 5 minute, how likely is to see? Oh yeah, oh yeah. 144, 150s. Oh, look at that juice, guys. Come on, look at that juice. 10,000 bucks, $10,000 profit. Look at that juice. Keep it running. Keep it running. This is a beautiful trade. You should not stop here. Let's go, guys. Come on. Give me that 188. The next 5 minute. Oh. Well, watch out, fellas. This is where we are. Scrambo is getting on fire. Yesterday's high. Can we touch in this 5 minute candle? Yesterday's high. 188. Let me know. Do let me know, please. What can we do? Do let me know what can we do. I don't like this games around the 140s, 150s. Good job. Good job making the profits. Secure whatever you're being offered, guys. You did see the way the market snaps profits away. We're back to today's high. I'm going for 188, guys. I'm going for 188. I think I'd like to see a today's high. 169 breakout. We just broke. And I'm out here for the moment. I'm out here for the moment on this one. And I'm going to be out from the other one as well. There you go. $15,000 profit here. Yes. 15 grand profit. We're 484 on this one. 15 grand profit. Boom. Lucid Flex. Big boy. No consistency. No target. 15 grand profit on this one, guys. Celebration time. And then the other one, well, that's $8,000 because we were down a lot. And this is sitting on 481 and the other one is sitting on 484. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Oh. 484. We made a new high here. So we touched the target I've been preaching, 188. Hopefully you had a moment to monetize this 188. The question is, what's going to happen next? That's the big question. What's happening next? What is happening next? That's great. Keep on accumulating, guys. Keep on accumulating. A 15-minute looks very good here. Obviously, have to question the ability to stay around these levels, right? Obviously, we gotta question the ability to stay around these levels. Testing out a 10 minutes long here. Give me that little move. Couple of grand. Oh. We got the weekly opening 135. What are you doing? Longing the very next candle that opens. For the other account too. I like it. 2,000 here. 3,000. 4,000. I'm out here at 4,000 on this one. Right, so we made 4,000 on the other one. Lovely. And now it's time to see how do we get out of this. 5 minutes out there. Totally out here. Pretty good. The entry was a little high, that's why I got out. Yeah. The entry was a little high. So we're fully out in 15k. And fully out on the other at 11. 484. And the other one has 484 as well. Look at that. Look at that selling pressure. Wow. This is so heavy. This is so heavy trading going around here. Wow, miserable today, Nasdaq. Miserable, guys. Be careful. You would never say. But that's why I got out at 188 fully. 188. That was so needed. Look at that, guys. That was so needed. Make sure to join our Discord community. If you want to be part of the giveaways, feel free to join our Discord community. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with education and daily giveaways. Yeah. This is down the pipe. This is down the pipe. We're waiting for the payout on YRM. We have an account that we've requested. We're waiting for the payout here, 3,000. We're shorting 150,000 instant funded. We had a good time with that. We do have today FOMC meeting minutes at 2 PM EST time, and there's no other rat folder today. There is no other rat folder today. Oh yeah. What a scene. Wow, look at this candlesticks, guys. Unbelievable. We just put in 100 points rejections in this 5 minutes like nothing. Wondering how can you guys handle this? I'm wondering how can you guys handle this? Yeah. Get in and get out. Look at those wicks. Oh, yeah. This is some heavy selling. This is some heavy selling. I'm testing a short here. It's not easy shorting from this levels. So I'm gonna go break even soon if I get the chance. Yeah. This candle needs to lack. I'm going break even, guys. Oh. We're so close to 20 grand profit. But I think we can do that 20 grand profit. Guys, look at that. We're sitting on 21,000 profit right now. 22,000. I sold 5 contracts here. And I'm completely gonna get out of this at that point. $29,011. We're gonna be fully out, guys. 29,011. Look at that. Come on, bring it down. That's a juicy one. We're so close of $500,000 from a $4,500 drawdown. Yep. Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex account of 150,000. Do not search for anything around my number. Do not exist. It's not a bug. Bring it down here. Yeah, a 400k flex. Oh, there you go. We touched the trailing. But we're still above 20,000 profit here. 488. They're pushing, guys. Angry Birds pushing high. Yeah, it's only being sold to me. Yeah, exactly. Yet again, the trending line is reacting here, driving people mad. Driving people mad because we didn't touch our VWAP. 29,012, that's where it sits. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up the numbers. I will be testing out a short here, guys, once again. I like it. I like it. I think I need to leave a little more room before I can go. I'm going break even here. We escaped that. We have escaped that by 3 points. We escaped that by... Oh, yeah, we touch it right now. 20,775. That's certainly not bad. Certainly not bad. Look at this one, guys. We have a flat opening soon of the hourly candle. Right now. So let me see, what do you give us? I got in a little long here. Got in a little long here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Break that 110. Break that 110. You don't need to stop here. We're loaded up, guys. 10 minis. Break that 110. Come on. Solo trades. Did you check my bank account? Of knowing I have no payouts and taking no payouts. And if so, tell me, how did you get access? Are you the guy at the bank watching my accounts and asking me where is that money coming from? Tell me. Right now. Solo trades, how do you notice things? Come on, move this thing. We're having a good position here, and that was a silly rejection you did earlier. I'm selling 5 contracts. I really should fully get out of this. Yeah, I'm fully gonna get out of this. There you go. No, I'm not. I'm just financially stable. I'm not rich. No, I'm just financially stable, guys. There you go, Smith. Congratulations for that. 1,700 for Jip Smith. Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it up. I just want to be stable. I don't need more than being stable and having a good level of predictability. That's all it requires to have a valuable life. Psychology, a lot of it we talked about on the stream today, fellas. We talked about today. You're gonna watch the live stream. Oh yeah, we talked about it. I might just short this market here. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Thank you so much, appreciate it. Oh, sorry to hear that, buddy. So, not an issue. You can always re-watch the live stream, which is going to be on the channel. I'm testing out a short here, guys. Call me crazy, but I'm testing out a short. I think as soon as we press below the 60s, we have a good chance to go around 29,000. Oh yeah. $24,000. Stop reversing. You don't need to reverse here. We're gonna go trailing. We have to. 493, guys. Come on. You know I'm gonna stop this on 499. You guys know that. I'm not gonna leave this one across 500 today. I'm gonna stop it on 499 if I get the chance, of course. I'm gonna trail here. What was that? 1 point. Yeah, we touch it. So here's the thing about having a day with losses. Very important, guys. Let's just take it towards the educational part. Let's just talk a little more education. So when dealing with losses, which is absolutely normal, not having losses or not expecting. Let's put it that way, not expecting to have losses is not normal. You're positioning wrong mentally if you're not expecting to have losses. So that means it is something you have to prepare having. Because if you're not prepared having, that surprise is only going to make it more difficult to manage, adjust, and perform. So we already know the more data we have about something, the better we can rely on the accuracy. The less data we have about something, the less we can prepare to take action. This one data is 100%, guys, you need to have, and you need to consider the losses. You have this data about this trading, activity. This trading activity has losses. And we could say that almost daily. It's something you know. When you turn it on, it's something you know, right? So the whole thing is, how are we positioned towards the moment we're going to have those losses? How are we going to deal with them mentally? Are we going to have a prepared attachment with clear, prompt responses, no anxiety, no fear to take action when we are down, because we know it's the right solution for when? For long term, even though for short term is painful. Accepting losses is always short term painful, always. And that's where the prop firms are winning. Because people care about the short-term feelings, not the long-term financial. You got to counterbalance this. Deal with the short-term negative feelings. This is not a business which is most of the time bringing joy. Nah. In order to be like that, you need to have a level. I believe this is most of the time representing challenges and difficulties, and maybe frustration and all sorts of sadness and all that stuff, right? Because of the performance we have. So I think the best losers win concept should be a priority. Before you start trading, you can think about this. How will I deal with today's possible losses? Stop paying attention to the profits. Stop paying attention to the amount of money you want to make. Stop paying attention to the good side of the possible existence. And first focus on solving one thing that brings maturity, brings predictability, safety, security, when you're no longer afraid of the positive, negative outcome that you could face because you have been accepting that idea before starting off. Then you're going to trade differently, guys. You are going to have an improvement in your trading performance just by making this very important step. Sitting down before you start trading and dealing with your mind around the possible losses you are going to have. If this is going to be fixed by you in terms of mentally, there is a heavy improvement here. And that's going to change the way you perform. Whether you believe it or not, it's going to change the way you will perform. Oh yeah. Believe it or not. Oh, look at that. The Louis is ready. Louis is ready. Look at that one, guys. I need that car. That's a lovely rose. But I don't think 500,000 would be enough for that. Oh, there you go, guys. You haven't seen the image we got in our Discord. Thank you, guys. Come on. This one. Look at the title. Scramble, the sadistic trader. Sadistic against the props. Sadistic against the market makers. That's right. What are the chances, guys? What are the chances for me to blow this account? We know when you're close to your targets, you're very likely to blow the account. We know that, right? If 500,000 is the target, how likely is for me to blow the account? Can you guys describe that? How likely? We all been there, being $100 away from the payout, or $1,000 away from the payout, the last day of trading, and it was the hardest. Think about, why do we blow when we're near to the target? Yes, it is a Louis. A lovely Louis. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Why do we lose accounts that are near to target or funded? And we do well prior to that? Is because we tend to become extra cautious, hoping that this is going to create somehow better efficiency. We tend to become extra cautious in the hope of security. But we exchange and we forget that we exchange and we stop trading in the way we've traded, so we exchange that skill away for something that we hope is going to work. Yeah. It is a Louis, which is certainly good. Yes. Yes, I trade the same way my evaluations. I don't know, I'm just trading this account, not trying to grow this one to any specific level. I'm just trading it next to the ones we have available. We're gonna start a giveaway soon, guys. But I think I'm gonna test out a long from here. Yeah, this is an interesting level we just touched here. And I think we have a good potential. We'll see. I can't promise anything. But I'd like to have 30, 40 points. Look at that, guys. Oh! Look at that balance. Oh! Look at that balance. Whipping it along. Quantower is stuck. Quantower is stuck. But we have 100. No. That's $500,000. It's not 100. Look at that one, guys. $34,000 celebration deck. Come on, guys. I told you about this level. I told you about this level since we started streaming. $500,000, 503 celebration time, guys. Oh. Well, I gotta make a video, guys. Welcome to $500,000 accounts on Lucid. 34,000 bucks, guys. Call the ambulance. Oh my gosh. But haters will say this is worthless. All the trading we do, all the education, all the skills, all the abilities are worthless. Look at that. We've been preaching. 29,000, 29,000, 29,000. Boom. The only thing I did is to follow my words, and that's it. I think Lucid should size up to $500,000 accounts. Otherwise, it makes me look bad, guys. It makes me look bad, right? It makes me look bad. If I take this $500,000 to the million, then there's gonna be even more people hating on me. Instead of having a good time learning. But someone anticipated we're gonna touch $500,000. UFO files with my names. If you guys are still holding around that entry, you have 170 points. So from tomorrow, the very first moment I'm opening this account, Crystal bottle, I can't show it on YouTube. They don't like the alcohol. YouTube live stream, YouTube monitoring is not enjoying. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. If that guy that was just gambling back and forth with max contracts was capable doing this, now you can't tell me you're gonna hit targets on 6%, guys. Yeah. I like the... So, this is where we are, guys. This is where we are. 34 grand today. Could have been better. Could have been better. But this is still fine. Kind of feeling ashamed to put out links in the chat. But sometimes you have to be ashamed, right? Look at that one, fellas. That's a lovely move. I like it. And we've been running long on that. We've been predicting that. It's not bad for a gambler. Right? Imagine how well the traders can perform if the gambler is doing this. On the 19th, 51 grand. Right? So the gambler may sell in May and no May, go away. It didn't work out. It didn't work out that well, sell in May and go away. Look at that, guys. I'll have a good beluga today. We have a decent. I'm not going any expensive first. We have a decent transatlantic beluga, blue bottle, lovely, guys. Transatlantic beluga. Check it out. It's lovely. I'm gonna spin around on that transatlantic beluga. Yeah, today's giveaway will be, if you guys find 500,000 accounts, look at that. This is some sort of a bug. And it's pretty decent for a gambler. I mean, think about it, guys. If a gambler can do this, then traders should be having a much better time. That's why, personally, I like to sit in this category of gambler. For me, personally, fits better. By this time, by this hour, there's more and more people joining the streaming, hoping they get giveaways. Right? What if today we don't do any giveaways, guys? Think about it. What if today we don't do giveaways? Here to trade and make money, exactly. So let's start a pool. Let me know the answer, guys, in the pool. Should we do giveaways today? Let me know your answers. Let me know your answers. I did a pool, guys. Should we do giveaways today? That's my question, guys. We have 20 people voting. Have a drink. Report that one for abuse, exactly. Oh my god. I know you guys are going for the first answer, but I forgot to change the second. We're gonna do giveaways today for sure, starting in 2-3 minutes. What's happening on Discord? Look at that on Discord in our community, guys. Somebody's posting. You want to check that out? 12 AC is having a good form today. Look at that. On Lucid. Oh yeah. 500k pro eval. You guys like that? They might get inspired from us. They might get inspired from us. But I prefer this one, guys. Oh, what a good day. What a good life. Life is good. Life always has to be good. Always has to be good. Always has to be good, fellas. No matter what. Traders are rich, right? Traders used to be rich before joining this business. Traders used to be rich before joining this business. That's always right. 5 of 500,000 copy trading. Not a bad idea. This one. Lucid Flex. This is a 500k Lucid Flex account. From today, I'll always say this is a 500,000 Lucid account. That's what I'm going to say from today on, guys. I'm ashamed to say this is from 150k. I'm ashamed to say that. No. Before joining trading, all the people got rich. So, this account is having this money, but the other one is in danger, guys. The other account is sitting at 484. Look at that. 484, guys. If Lucid does a 500k account, then my entire performance is just going to be vanished away, right? Think about it. Like, no one is going to believe me. This is not 150k. 11,000 in profit, 484. Not trading on Tradeaway that much. I like to trade on Quant Tower and Volumetrica. So, what's next, guys? Time for the giveaway. Not an issue. They're not going to shut down. They're not going to shut down. I can show my dashboard. That's the only luck. Yeah, YRM have... Yeah, it has trade C. Yes. Oh, there you go. Let's get started with the giveaways, guys. This is the place you enter the giveaways, good fellas. This is the place you sign up. I'm a momentum trader. You have to be here daily on the live stream to feel the strategies I run. Price action momentum trader between meaningful lines with a smooth feeling of the markets after 11 years of trading. Or better said, 11 years of gambling my family's fortune in trading. This is Quant Tower. There you go. I've been trading on Quant Tower. This is Quant Tower. Chase everyone with a green tea. Exactly. Cows, sheeps, and potatoes. That's what I sold. Potatoes. And it's a pretty good thing. You're never stressed about anything. Probably I'm gonna start a little farm. We were, however, getting everything from the farm. But I probably should start my own farm, guys. Right? What do you guys think about? I should do my own farm. Not to make money, but for people, for family, and friends to eat quality. We do farm to table. Organic farm to table right now, but it's not our farm. But I should start a farm. Oh yeah, guys, let's just get started with a giveaway. There is plenty of time to start off a new business in the farming industry. Maybe not a business. Let's keep it real. I don't know how to do businesses. I am just a simple guy gambling prop firm accounts, and somehow, we got to a point. I mean, we purchased a $500,000 account, and now we have... This is in loss, this is 484. So this is down 16 grand, this one. The 484 is down 16 grand. But the other one is just up $3,000. So there's nothing special here, guys. Someone is asking me if I suggest you upgrade 50,000 flex to 500,000 flex. We got this one in quite a few trading days, like 30 something. Maybe 2 months. Or maybe less than 3 months, very likely less than 3 months. Alright guys, let's just get started with the giveaways. Come on fellas, this is breaking out, it's running. We're probably going above 30,000. Not today, but we're probably going there. Above 30,000. Do you guys agree with me? that this move from here, from 29, it's going to take us. Look at that. I'm going to show you the indicators in the next stream, guys. We got a ton of them, but look at that one. Is this one going to bring us the 30,000 mark? What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this? The correction down to minimum 27. So from 30 plus down to minimum 27, 3,000 points. What do you guys think about that one? Would you agree with me? We're doing the giveaways in 1-2 minutes. Or Nvidia today is going to smash us. Are we going to get smacked by Nvidia? Slapped? Alright. Oh yeah, there you go. That kind of triple top ascending structure. Alright guys, so it's time to have fun. It's time to celebrate. But I'm gonna make a video with this. I'm gonna make a video with this 500,000. And I'm gonna give out a massive giveaway on that video. I'm from Hungary, center of Europe. Oh, Intel produce good money. Indeed, it will continue as much as it's needed. As much as it's needed. Oh yeah, that's the economy. So, where are we? And what do we have to do? We need the wheel. And then we need the ducks. And then we need the formula. So you want to make sure to complete the formula, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Here we are. Sometimes I do stay there, but not always. Not always. Thank you. Not always. Alright guys, so first giveaway. But how do you join should be your question, guys. How do you join? Complete a form here. Everyone complete a form. Then like the video. Be subscribed to this YouTube channel with the notification bell turned on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. We're going to start posting more videos on YouTube. I have a few companies that I want to review. For example, Funded Next Flex products. We got a coupon code Scramble working already there, by the way, for the Funded Next Flex products. I'll make a review on that and show you. And we have some other companies too. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so... And then you gotta join the Discord. You gotta join the Discord. The first giveaway will do an instant funding. Tap 1 futures, $25,000 Ignite. Funded Next Flex for the futures. You got a massive discount these days. Then verify, but you're always connected with massive discount there on the code. All right, guys. So watch out. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Not an issue as long as it's free, right? PG contract. As long as it's free, it's not an issue. From 0 to 5, guess the number, guys. Guess the number. Let me know. Let me know your best choice. Just a single guess per person. I'll gotta find it out, guys. I'll let you know what's happening around this Flexus. Oh. But I think I have to do a video about this $500,000 and attach a big giveaway to it. I think I gotta do that. Attach a big giveaway to this $500,000 we made. You know, this kind of videos no one is enjoying, by the way. I mean, you guys that are close to us and our circle, community, the inner circle, the valuable people, they do enjoy this. But then the animalistic people will not enjoy this. Usually in life it's like this. When you become successful, no one likes you. The more success, the better you trade, the better you perform. People, some people, not all of them, the ones that are lacking quality, they stop cheering for you. There is a joy of some people when they see others fail. There is such a joy. Incredible, guys. And there's such a sadness, frustration when people have success. Ridiculous, right? Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. Ho, 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 ho. We're going to shuffle and let it fly. There you go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Have a good one out there. Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That's going to be number 1. That was easy. I thought I can get you number 5 because we have $500,000. But the next wheel is going to be number 5. That's number 1. Where is Jake, 12AC? Where is Jake? Jake missed the milestone of making $500,000. Can you believe that? Number 1 for the winners. Congratulations. I guess that was easy, right? That was easy. There's a ton of people that joined today. A ton of people. Exactly, Jake Henry. There you go. Oh, look at that one. Just a few guys here on the list. 35. 30 seconds competition time. The best ranked is going to receive the account. The best ranked. I am working right now, guys, with a developer of games, and I'm gonna make a game specifically for our community. Ken Nils, oh look at that, Ken Nils, dominating and winning. Ho ho ho, Ken Nils, dominating and winning. You guys will be surprised. Working with a developer to make a custom game, not on this website. It's gonna be our game, our own game. Congratulations. We're gonna have our own game for the giveaways. 12AC, rank number 6. You should have been going with a number 5 because of the $500,000. You gotta be loyal to that. Congratulations. Yes, a game where I'm gonna have a full control. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. So, what's next? Oh, Lucid is next. Okay. Now, with Lucid, we're going to do the following thing, guys, with Lucid. Oh, but we gotta verify if Ken Nils completed a form. Did you complete a form, Ken Nils? Yes. Alright, congratulations. Time for the next one. Time for the next one. 50,000. Lucid Flex. 50,000. Lucid Flex for the next one, guys. We're not going to have many choices, but there's going to be multiple entries. Watch out. 00, a single 1, 5 number 5, and 7. Let me know your best choice. You can start right now. We got 5 number 5 because we got 500,000. No surprise. From gambling. Not from trading. Whoever is successful in trading is not a trader, is a gambler. That's usually the way people like to say it. If you're successful, you're not a trader, you're a gambler. If you're not successful, you're a trader. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. Keep it going. Keep it going. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. This is the way we're gonna have it, guys. A 500,000 flex giveaway. That's not a bad idea. That's not going to be number 5, guys. No. It's going to be that red 0. With a number 5, it was a trap. It's going to be the 0 on red. That number 5 thing was a trap, guys. As usually. As usually. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ruin your day, guys. With a trap with a number 5. That was a trap with number 5. Hopefully it didn't ruin your day. There you go. Congratulations for the winners with 0. There you go. Keep it running. Keep it running. We are on fire. Oh, I think we have a lot of the winners here. 49. Plus some more. 51. 30 seconds competition time. Gotta be quick on this one. The best ranked is gonna take it all, guys. The best ranked. Best ranked is taking it all. Come on. That was a trap, Matty. Sometimes you gotta trap people. Oh, Badger is coming through, and it's winning. That's crazy. Oh! Badger. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do, Badger? What did you do here? Ha ha ha. What did you do? Oh my gosh. It was in the race. Badger, look at that. First, I'm gonna verify if you're on the list, Badger. I'm gonna verify if you're on the list. No response found. Oh. So we gotta take the next one ranked. We got to take the next one ranked. Diplomatic immunity. But we got to take the next one ranked. Oh. He's at the last place. Piranhas Club. Community. You vote, community. Start a pool. Second plus the last. New race? Tell me, guys. Tell me. Second plus the last. New race or no? As soon as we have 50 votes, we're gonna call it off. Second and the last. New race? Tell me. Piranha plus the last. Yeah. 80% yes. 80% yes. So what was the last? Faded 0. Wow, Faded 0. Faded 0 is here. Congratulations. And Piranha. There you go. So you guys will race again. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. There you go. You're in the duck race. You're in the duck race with the 0. Yes, you were. So look at that one, guys. The winner is going to take it all. The first ranked. The winner. The winner is going to take it all. Piranhas Club. Congratulations, Piranhas Club. Congratulations. No way. That's such a scam. What a lucky guy is this Piranha. Congratulations. Time for the next giveaway, guys. Then we're going to do YRM. And we're going to have a bonus for YRM, everyone. So third giveaway is going to be about YRM. You were in the race, but not all the ducks are visible. Caesar. Not all the ducks are visible. You're running somewhere behind. YRM time 50,000 YRM, everyone, for the third giveaway. Keep that in mind. And we're going to have a bonus for this, so watch out. Only 3 numbers, but the number 3 is going to have 5 entries. So 0, 1, and 5 number 3. You could start right there. 0, 1, and 5 number 3. That's all we got. 0, 1, and 5 number 3. And I'm going to have a lot of the bonuses attached to this. A lot of the bonuses. Oh yeah. Scrambo's in fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. A lot of the bonuses will be attached to this. So thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Beautiful. So we're going to do plus one more 50k of YRM. And then have 4 more entries, right? So we have 4 entries of 1 more 50k. which means we're going to share 2 accounts if you win this bonus and you keep it. But then next to this, with a single entry, will be not only 1 more, but 2 more. 2 more 50K. And if that hits, and you protect it, you keep it, you're going to have 3 accounts in this giveaway. Best of luck, everyone. Oh. Oh, Ken Nils. Thank you. Thank you, Ken Nils. We're going to do that, Ken Nils. I just see your message right now. I haven't seen your message. We're going to rerun. Ken Nils is donating his Lucid account. He's rerunning it. That's going to be the 0, guys. That's going to be the 0. And then we're going to do Lucid once again. Ken Nils is donating. Oh, he's impersonating. Little scammers. We're going to track their IPs and eliminate those guys from the giveaway too. We're going to track down those guys. Yeah, I see it's not you. We're going to track down those guys. Not an issue. There you go. 0 for the winners. So no bonuses. Animalistic people. 33 out here. So we're 35. Business Lens is usually a hater. This guy's. He's not gonna win. Business Lens. I can assure you about it. He's a hater. So we're leaving 30 seconds competition time. We're good to go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Oh, yeah. Tony Futures. Twister. Moto CG leading, guys. And winning. Moto CG. Congratulations. Moto CG. You got this one. You've got this one. 12AC, rank number 6 once again. Congratulations, Moto CG. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. So, here we are. Think about it. I'm going to make a video on the 500,000 target we touched today on YouTube. It's going to be posted at some point. And we're going to attach a giveaway to that 500,000 stuff. Remember, we currently have a giveaway starting Monday this week. We started Monday, and it's going to end Friday, so you can still join. You can find it on my YouTube channel amongst the shorts. You want to see to my shorts, there is one YouTube short video. You want to watch that and follow the instructions to participate, guys. I think I can have it here in the chat for you. There you go. Here's the link, guys, to that video. Oh, let's see. Find it out if he completed the form. Moto, did you fill up the form? Moto. Yes. Hey, did fill up the form. Congratulations. Good for you guys to remind me. Yes. They're disgusting. Exactly. That's the level. 3 numbers. Oh, catch you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Look at the Nasdaq. It is flying. It is flying. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day, guys. Have a beautiful time. See you tomorrow and see you